Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to upload the files or the folders on the Box app. Now if you want to upload the files or the folders on the Box app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Box app on your device. So if you have not installed the Box app, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that you just need to open the Box app. For those of you wondering what is a Box app, Box app is a platform that enables files management, collaborations and automated workflows internally and externally. Now this is the homepage of the Box app where you'll see the various option of browse, collection, inbox and all of the things right here. So to upload the files on the Box app, you just need to click on the plus icon at the very bottom right of the screen. So you'll see the plus icon, so click on it, and from here you'll see the option of create new folder, upload file, capture media or choose from library. Or also you'll see the option of create new box note. So click on the second option, which is upload file, and from here you'll be taken to the file section of the iPhone and you just need to select the file which you want to upload on the Box app. So if I want to upload this file, I'll simply select it and I'll simply click on the option of open. But if you want to select all the files which is important to you, you may simply click on the option of select all, or also click on the option of deselect. So after selecting the files, you may click on the option of open, and it is preparing the file and it is syncing the file, so it may take some time. So after a few times the file will be uploaded on the Box app. So that's it. That's how you can upload the files on the Box app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.